Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's we're making super fluffy and soft pancakes. Honestly, the best ones you'll ever try. So let's get started. In a bowl, crack in 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of sugar, add vanilla, and then mix it all together. After that, pour in 2 cups of milk and keep whisking. And finally, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now add 2.5 cups of flour, and mix until it's smooth and creamy. Oh my god, here I forgot to add the baking powder. Fortunately, I remember it before baking my pancakes. So here add 20 grams of baking powder and mix it all together. Now heat your pan and add a tiny bit of butter and pour your butter. And when you see bubbles on top, flip it. Here, you can serve it with some chocolate, honey, or fruits. Look at this texture, soft, light, and perfect for breakfast. And trust me, you'll fall in love with it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what recipe you want next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.